Hey folks, today I want to go over our Shark Wandvac cordless vacuum cleaner. So I did purchase this. It isn't a sponsored video, been using it for a little while now. If I was to sum it up in one word, I think convenience would be that word. Now, it's not perfect. The main thing here is that I don't think this is intended to be like your main vacuum cleaner for your home. The battery, for starters, only lasts for 16 minutes. The compartment where the dust and debris is going to be sucked into is not very big. It fills up very quickly. And it's more, as I say, just there for when you have an emergency vacuum situation. Just pull this thing off the stand, get the job done, put it back, no fuss. That said, the power here is actually pretty good. There is a boost mode as well. You simply hold that button down, which is at the back of the handle, and that will give you a little bit of extra oomph. But even without that boost mode, I do find that this sucks very well. There's no bendy tubes or anything, so blockages are actually quite rare. Right now we have it in the full-sized upright position. So up here you have the main handheld vacuum itself. Here we have the extension tube, and down here we have the floor head. Now, of course, you can just put this into handheld mode really easy. There are two buttons on the side towards the top. Just pinch those in and it disconnects straight away from the extension tube here. And you can either use it with the extension tube if you want to use one of the other attachments, or without it. So you can use this vacuum exactly for whatever it is you need it for at the time. A couple of other attachments are included. But what's great about the main floor head attachment here is that it has been designed especially so that you don't get hairs wrapping around the motorised mechanism. And of course, also included is the charging base. The battery itself simply slots into the very top of the handle of the vacuum cleaner, but on the charging base there is also space if you purchase a second battery to store that there too. It will also charge. Now, the vacuum cleaner is available in a multiple of different colours. Of course, that doesn't affect the functionality, which is going to be the same regardless of which design you pick. But also when you need to empty the vacuum cleaner or just clean or change the filter, again, super simple. Right next to the power button there is a sliding button. Push that down and the compartment will open up. Overall, we are really happy with this, as long as you know that it is not going to be the main vacuum cleaner for your home, unless you have a small home. But if, like us, you have a larger family, it's not going to fulfill that purpose. Otherwise, like I say, we're really happy. Hope the video helped.